Rude versus polite. Boring, not for me. Ugly, not my style. Lazy, unmotivated. Wait, just a second. Rude versus polite. Shut up. Quiet, please. Move. Excuse me. Go away. I need space. Rude versus polite. Wait, just a second. You are wrong. I disagree. Liar, not true. Ugly, not my style.
Duck. Duck? Why didn't you tell me? Duck?
Yeah, it means lower your head or your whole body. How to ask if a seat is free in English? Is this seat taken? Is this seat occupied? Is this seat free? Do you mind if I sit here? May I sit here? Can I sit here?